welcome once again to another tutorial. I'm sorry I wasn't able to continue with our last tutorial. It was all because I was engaged in some few activities, but we're back. So the last time we started looking at website design, alright, and then we said that there are basically three stages in website design. We have the domain registration, the web hosting, and then the website design itself. And I continue to explain that um, for you to be able to register a domain, you need to register with a domain registrar. Alright, so for instance, namecheap.com, it's a domain registrar. Alright, and so you can check here and see some of the services they render. Namecheap also provides web hosting services, and so this is their menus, domain, and so this is where you search for a domain. So for instance, let's look for kofi.com. kofi.com. So after typing kofi.com, we go and search it. We search it to see whether it's available, and when and so when it's not taken or when it's available, we can continue to register it. So this is Namecheap, one of our domain registrars, and then let me take you to my server end. Alright. So basically this is what happens. Alright. The domain registrars enables you to register your domain, whilst the web hosting providers assist you in saving or storing your website contents on the internet. And that is how come that anybody at all in the world can be able to have access to your website online. So that's what happens. Alright, that's what happens. So let's check and see. This is also loading. Okay. Sign in. If you are a new user, you sign in. That is if you are an old user, you already have an account. But if not, you sign up. You sign up to create your account with them. And then if you want to register, you can continue with any of the payment methods. So this is my web server end. The mail registrar. So as you can see, so kofi.com is registered in 1999, which means that we can continue to register it. Alright. So we look for something we can register. So let's say Kofi 777. No. Kofi.com 777 and enter. Alright. So as you can see, Kofi777.com is available, so we can continue to buy it. So this is where we go. We add it to our cart. And so this is my one of my server accounts, and this with Nakrotech. Right. So these are where my websites are being stored. See. Alright. So I can log in to check one of my sites. So this is basically how it works, how it functions. Alright. This before you see any website like this. Alright. I designed this website to one of my clients, so you can see before these came out, we first registered this name, audicianews.com. We registered it. Now after registering it, we stored it on our web hosting server, okay, on our server. Alright, so let me show you. This is audicianews.com on our server. So this is where the website content of Audition News is being stored. Alright. So once it's stored here, It's stored online. A server is like a space online. You get it? Uh-huh. So right from there, you can fetch any content. You can click, and then it will open to you the web content. Alright, very good. So basically, this is an overview of